Hello teachers, in this video we will learn how to use GeoGebra Classic 6 for teaching mathematics in a simple and interactive way. This software helps us teach algebra, geometry, graphs, trigonometry and many mathematical concepts visually. First of all, what is GeoGebra? GeoGebra is a free mathematics software used by teachers and students around the world. It combines geometry, algebra, spreadsheet, graphing, and calculus tools in one application. You you to start open GeoGebra Classic 6 on your computer or mobile device. You can use it online or install the desktop version. Now let us understand the main parts of GeoGebra's screen. First one is algebra view, and this is the graphics view, and toolbar and input bar. The toolbar contains drawing and construction tools. The graphics view display the shapes and graphs. The algebra views show the equation and values. Let us create simple geometry figures. Select a point tool. Create points A, B, and C. And go to the polygon tool. Select polygon tool. Choose the points A, B, C, and again A. You will get a triangle. With just a few clicks, you can create interactive geometry diagrams for classroom teaching. Also, you can select the points A, B, and C, track or move, and observe the geometric shapes. Now, we try to graphing a function. GeoGebra is a very useful for graphing mathematical functions. Hide these all these constructions or choose Control A and delete by your keyboard. Now just go to the input bar and type x squared and just enter. The graph appears instantly. Teachers can explain curves, transformations, and coordinate geometry visually. Using sliders, now I just type A, just enter. You will get the slider A. Select the slider point and you can drag or move the slider points. GeoGebra has one powerful feature is sliders. For example, you type ax squared. Okay, just enter and hide the f of x equal to x squared. Now move the slider. Okay, when we move the slider, students can observe how the graph changes dynamically. This makes learning more engaging and easier to understand. Also, you have a play pause button. Just click on it. You see the transformations of the graphs. GeoGebra helps teachers save teaching time, improve students' understanding, create interactive lessons, and make mathematics enjoyable. Thank you for watching this GeoGebra Classic 6 demo. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational technology videos. Thank you.